people ban saying that name. Plain Jane tart is wild. Nah, yo, Keys for real. Nigga, y'all ate the no icing on the Pop Tart. Nigga, crazy.
Who had no icing on a Pop Tart?
Bro, it was by accident, bro.
It
Yo,
was
how the
by
hell?
accident, bro.
Bro, you know how they, bro, you
Niggas
know how they
drugged
be
him.
having the silver pack.
What
You should
what
have seen my, bro. You should
what
have seen
Tyler
my
the
face when I
Creator said
opened it,
about
bro.
Frank Ocean? He said he knew he was goose because he ate his Pop Tarts with no icing. That's the topic,
Yo,
dog.
Ja, that's why I was questioning it. Like,
Nah.
yo,
I know I ain't goose.
nigga just ate
Yo,
the filling.
nah.
Pause.
Nigga just
About to
left the
feel
crust.
you.
Yo, relax.
Yo,
I'm about to give you the icing you should have had.
Pause.
nah.
Hey, yo.